Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. I'm going to be showing you how you can create custom widgets for your Android home screen. To do this, simply long press anywhere on your home screen until the widgets menu appears at the bottom and then go ahead to click on it. Here, you'll see a variety of widgets available like cleanup, clock, weather, music, and widgets from installed apps. To add a widget, you can either tap on it or long press to drag it to your home screen. Let's try adding the clock widget. Some widgets offer different layout styles, so choose which clock layout option you prefer and tap on it to add it. Once done, the clock will appear right on your home screen. You can repeat this process to add widgets from your favorite or most frequently used apps. You just need to keep in mind the size of the widgets you're adding. Some widgets take up space, so make sure there's enough room on your screen or consider placing it on another page. Speaking of which, if you'd like to move a widget or place it on a different page, long press until the widgets menu appear again, hold on to the widget, and multiple screen pages will appear. You can then drag the widget to where you want and release it in place. And that's how easy it is to customize your Android home screen with widgets. Not only are they practical, they can also add a nice pop of color and personality to your phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.